Okay, so over here doing just a light cleaning on this furnace. They're selling the home. We do that what's called a level 1, where they finish out their basement and got the unit dirty. And so unless they have the ducts cleaned, it's always gonna be dirty. And here I could completely pull this apart, and within a week it's gonna be dirty again because the ducts are dirty. Yeah, make sure that is on the outside and close that. Try to seal as much as you can. We talked about these draft inducers over the summertime. They'll get stuck in that other video. But if you're getting the code for the pressure switch not closing, or stuck or something, it'll say close or open. First thing you need to do is, one, make sure the draft inducer is coming on. The other is you'd have to take off the 2 screws that are here that hold this in. It stays right here, is where it normally would be. And this hose here attaches here and goes to that back port on there. Goes to this back port. This hose here goes to the front. But when I'm doing this cleaning, this level 1 cleaning, and I've taken that off, this was wet. This was full of water. And so that will also stop it from working. So you just, once you blow this out, blow the water out of it, just take this, and then you just right there blow into that to push that water to try to dry that up, because if this is full of water, it won't let that pressure create enough to close that switch to complete your loop. So this is pretty specific for these Carriers Bryants. If it looks like this, if it's throwing that pressure switch and your draft inducer is coming on, then just check this hose here to see if it's got water in this tube right here. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.